Hello, welcome to the HeiDoc channel. Thanks for tuning in. Let me show you the latest tool, the latest free software tool that we've made for you to use, for you to download. It's the multi-PDF merger. I'll leave the download link down in the description, so make good use of it. It's free for personal use and for business use. What it can do, it can merge all kinds of documents into one single PDF file. Here are some example documents. It can handle Microsoft Office, text, images, PDF, vector images. So you can either use the drag and drop, or you can add more documents through this add button here. Or you can add websites as well. So it can screenshot websites and add them as images to the PDF document. If you don't like the order in which the individual documents are here, you can move them up, move them down, select multiple ones, move them up all in one go. So once the order is correct, you press the merge button here, and it will merge all the documents in one PDF file. So what do we have here? This Word document here on top is just a template from the internet, some business letter template. That's a vector image of an Escher painting. That's an Excel template of some invoice from just downloaded from the internet. That's a JPEG image here, then there's a train ticket here, a PDF train ticket, then there's the news article coming here. So the news article will be inserted as a screenshot, as an image, not as a text. So you can't copy the text from this news article once it's done. That's the PowerPoint from the Likebook video from a couple of months ago. And here is just a flyer from one of my websites. And it's almost done. It's done. Let's have a look what we got here. That's the new document. The business letter template, the Escher image, the invoice template, the JPEG image, the train ticket, the news article. Here you can see these are images, not text. It's a one-to-one screenshot as it shows up in your browser. And the PDF presentation and the flyer. So everything's there, just as it should be. One final note for the website screenshots. If the site is too complex, if it contains lots of plugins and videos and Flash and all these fancy things, it will not be able to make the screenshot. It's fine for news articles, but everything that's overly complex it can't handle, and it will insert a blank page instead. But for normal use, it's okay. They're just exception cases here with the complex pages. So apart from that, pretty much everything else is possible in terms of documents. If there's anything that's missing, if you like to have more document formats in here, drop me a line in the comments. I will see what I can do to add more document formats to it. And until then, I hope it's going to be beneficial for you. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.